In this video, I am going to show you how to transfer money from a NatWest to another bank. So sending money to another person's bank account is called making a payment. So first of all you need to do, and of course, before that, you will need the other person's full name, account number, source code, and account types as a personal or business. So make sure to prepare those info first. So the first option or the first step is basically to go and open the NatWest app. At the bottom of the screen, you will find payments. So you'll find many options. At the bottom middle, you'll find payments. Make sure that the correct NatWest account is selected. If you have more than one, if you have like a credit card, another account, just choose the account that you want to send money from, then go to payments. Once you go to payments, you'll find send money, transfer money, request money, regular payments, payment settings, and security profile. For us, we'll have to go and click on send money. And once you do so, you will get three options. You'll get to make a payment, pay someone with a link, or send money abroad. So if you've sent money to this person before, you can simply select them from your saved payees. But for a new bank account, you will need to select pay someone new. And of course, then they will have to ask or to enter their bank details. Like you'll have to enter the person's first name and last name, personal or business account, source code, account number, payment reference. NatWest may then perform a configuration or a confirmation of a payee check, and this check whether the name as example that you entered basically matches the name held by the receiving bank. If NatWest tells you that, as an example, the details don't match, don't ignore the warning. Check the details with the person that you've paying before sending any money. So if everything is good, you'll have to enter the amount of money that you want to send, and you can also add a reference so you and the recipient know what the payment is for. Then choose whether you want to send money now or schedule it for a later date. Then click on continue. Once you do so, you will find an example the payment request is completed, and you'll find an example whether if you choose like instant or specific dates, you'll find like the confirmation and the review there. You'll just have to authorize the payments because NatWest may ask you to confirm that it's really you making the payment depending on your accounts and settings. This may use your biometric approval or another security check. So just follow the instructions shown on the app and you should be good to go. But keep in mind to check always before sending. Checking the name, source code, account number, amount, and reference are crucial so you don't do anything by mistake. Of course, this option can be done online as well. If you are on your PC, you can just go to NatWest Bank Online, go to payments and transfers, click on pay someone new, and you'll have to do the following that we did with the phone. So enter their details, check the payee, enter the amount, and review, then send. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.